What if there's an opportunity online whereby for every 100 naira you put in, you stand a guaranteed chance of getting 200 naira in return? Now, if such opportunity exists and there is no limit to the amount of money you can make by doing this, now let me ask you, how many times in a day do you think you can probably be doing that? Now, I know that majority of you guys that are watching this video will probably do this 7 days a week, 365 days a year, 24 hours every day. Like, most people will literally not sleep and they will keep on printing this on-demand money before it gets exhausted. Now, what if I tell you that this opportunity exists, but just that it's only a few people that knows about this and you probably don't know about it, and that's why you are not kind of taking advantage of this right now? And in case you think I'm bluffing, please don't be a Thomas right now, okay? Just give me like 10 minutes of your time and I will literally explain everything and how it works right here in this video, because I am also benefiting from this, and I know that a lot of you people will also probably benefit from this if you watch these videos to the very end to understand how you can be able to make money with what I'm about to show you right now. Now, before we jump into the video, I know this is a secret that a lot of people who are already benefiting with this will not want it to be out there. But guys, listen, I've been on YouTube for a while right now, and I know that not everybody that watches a YouTube video take action on that information, okay? It's only a few people. If 100,000 people watches a video, most times it's just 1,000 people that do take action, okay? The ocean is too big for every fish to survive, so don't be too angry for me sharing this information with my community members right here on YouTube. And the next thing I would like you guys to do right now to thank me for bringing this information to you guys is to do me a favor and go ahead right now to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that once I drop new videos right here, YouTube notify you. You will be among the people that will take advantage of that video, okay? So let's quickly get into the video right now so I can share this massive opportunity with you guys right now. What you are seeing right now is known as Facebook Ads Manager. Now let me show you the amount of money I've spent on this account and also make right here, okay? So if I go over to this campaign section right now, you're going to see that in the past 30 days I've spent 274,000 here, 149 here, over 800,000 here. Now let me show you guys in the past 6 months so that you can be able to understand what I'm trying to show you here. So if I start from April 1st right here and go over to October 15th, okay? So let me go ahead and update this. So you can see the amount of money we have been able to spend right here. So you can see right here, we have spent 657,000. We have spent over 1.3 million naira right here. And we have spent over 3.3 million naira right here. And we have other spendings like 532,000 here, 19,000 here, 24,000 here. And if we go down here, we'll have some other spendings here. And this is not the only ad accounts that we are spending money on. Now there are other ad accounts right here. So if I go over right here, now you can see that I have so many different other ad accounts. Now let me go ahead and open up this second one right here so that you can also see the amount of money we have spent on this second one also, okay? Now let's also go back and select the last 6 months right here. So let's go ahead and start from April 1 right now to change this to October 15. So I'll go ahead and click on update. So right here, you can be able to see that this account, we're actually spending lesser money right here. So in total, with this particular one, we have spent over 500K. Whereas on the first account I showed you guys, we have been able to spend over 6.7 million right here on this account in the last 6 months, okay? And these are not the only other accounts we have. We have so many other accounts where we are spending big money on this particular opportunity. Now there are 3 reasons why I showed you guys some of my ad accounts and the money we are spending on it. Now the first one is to show you guys that this is a real hustle, and the second one is that this is something I'm actively participating in, and the third one is that this is something that I'm proven to be able to reward you with 2x, 3x, or even 5x of whatever you put into it, okay? So this is a real business model that anyone that is participating in it is making good amounts of money for themselves. Now you might be asking, what do we literally do in this particular business? Now what we do in this particular business is to find products that other people have created, then we create a better marketing materials and offer around that product and start selling that product to the desired target audience. And we do all this while sitting in the comfort of our home, because everything that is required to run this business can be done online. So you don't even need to step outside of your house to be able to carry out with what I'm about to show you in this video. So the first thing we do is finding a product. Then the tool we normally use to find a product is this Facebook ads library. So you can go to Facebook ad library, select your country, turn this to all ad, and put in the desired keyword you're planning to find a product in. In this case, we use detox tea, but you can put something like pain relief, or depending on the niche keyword you're trying to go for, to be able to find other products that people are already selling. Okay, so if we go through right here, then we can be able to see some couple of products right here. So right here you can be able to see these ones right here that is actually selling, you know, like a smoke tea, which helps people to be able to cleanse their lungs. So once we have find a company just like this one that is already spending money to advertise this product, so we'll probably go ahead and take a look at the sales page that they are using to advertise this product, to know if there is something that we can be able to do better than this particular company is doing. Now, by me looking at this sales page right now, and also the packaging and, you know, how they set up their sales page, there is something that we can be able to do to improve on this particular products to be able to make more money for ourselves. So one of the things that we can probably do is to go ahead and, you know, create a different package for this particular product and redesign the sales page to better convert more customers. Okay, so for example, here is an example of a sales page that we have right now, trying to sell the same product or similar product that these people are selling, but our own is well targeted to generate more conversions and get more people interested in buying our product. Because even if you take a look on how we're able to structure our own sales page, it's far more better than how these people right here set up their sales page. Now, once we have been able to set up our marketing materials, our sales page, and everything that we use to be able to outcompete these guys and sell more of our products and make money, now the next thing is to find a manufacturer or a supplier of this particular product. All right, now there are several ways you can be able to find these manufacturers that produce this kind of product, or any type of product that you're looking to sell, be it gadget or be it anything. But one of the ways you can be able to easily find manufacturers or suppliers is to go ahead on this platform known as Gigi. Go ahead and search that particular product that you are working on or you want to start selling. So you can be able to see different manufacturers that have other products similar to what you're trying to sell right here. Okay, so once you have found the one that you would like to go ahead and work with, for example, let's say we want to go ahead and work with this particular one. As you can see, these guys are actually selling this particular product for 6,000 naira right here. Now, if this person right here is actually a manufacturer, then we can be able to get this person to sell this product for us for, let's say, like 3,000 naira. Now, mind you that if you take a look right here, you can see that these guys right here are probably selling this product for like 18,500 for one. And on our sales page that we created right here, you can see that we are also selling our own for 20,000 naira for one, whereas we can be able to get these manufacturers to sell it to us for like 3,000 or even cheaper. So once we already secure our manufacturers and we already have our marketing materials and sales pages, now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and start promoting that product using Facebook ads. Okay, so that's where you see us spending all this money that we are spending right here on Facebook ads to be able to get customers to go ahead and buy the product that we are promoting. And once they buy this product that we are promoting, we can go ahead and use our manufacturers, delivery people, or we can go ahead and use our own delivery people to send this product to the customers that purchases this product, and we make money for ourselves. So that's all, guys. You are literally printing money while sitting in the comfort of your home and reselling product that other people have already created without having to do any much work from your end. All you just need to know is just to know the best way to create your marketing materials and price your offers very, very well to be able to outcompete anyone that is already selling in that market, and you can go ahead to start making lots of money for yourself, because Facebook is going to be delivering the customers to you, and also your manufacturer is going to be manufacturing the product and also shipping it out to your customers, and you sit in the comfort of your home and you make money for yourself. Okay, this is the exact simple way you can use to be able to make money with this. You can use this to make money in the health and wellness industry. You can use it to make money in the skincare industry. You can use it to make money in the gadget industry. There is no industries out there where people are selling and buying products that you can't use this simple stuff that I just shared with you right now to make money. Okay, so now that you understand the concept of how this business works, now if you want to take advantage of this opportunity right now free of charge, so that you can be able to go ahead to start practicing this. Now all you just need to do right now is to go over to the description of this particular video and click the Skillshare link that I'm going to put right there, so that you can be able to come over right here and watch this free training that I just put up right now. This e-commerce for beginners, build and launch a profitable brand from scratch. So this particular step-by-step training right here is going to guide you on how you can be able to do everything step by step, starting from how to pick a product, how to go ahead and validate if that product is going to work, how to find your manufacturers, how to profitably price your product, how to be able to build your brand identity and create all the marketing materials and your sales page and everything you need to successfully sell those products, and also how you can be able to go ahead and get delivery partners and delivery agents that you're going to be delivering your product for you. This course will show you the exact step-by-step process you can follow to be able to set up this business model for you while in the comfort of your home. Now, to sign up on Skillshare and start taking this course, go to the description of this particular video to use the link I put there, so that you can get 1 month free trial of Skillshare, because right now Skillshare charges money for you to watch any course on their platform. But right now you can be able to use the link I put in the description of this particular video to gain a 1 month free access on the Skillshare platform without spending any money, to learn everything you need to learn about this particular business model, to start practicing it and also start making money for yourself from this business model. Now, if I decide to sell this course, I could have easily charged over 200,000 for this particular course, okay? But this is a course I created for my community members on my Telegram channel, but I also consider my YouTube family as my community members right now, okay? So go ahead right now to take advantage of this particular course, because like I said, this is only meant for my Telegram community members, and I might take it down anytime soon. And if you'd like to join us on Telegram to be able to get full value of whatever I'm sharing, or the tips and strategies I'm sharing with my community members right there, make sure to also use the link I'm going to put in the description of this particular video to join our Telegram channel, so that you do not miss this kind of secret value that I normally drop with them, okay? And also, if you want to sign up on Skillshare right now and get the 1 month free trial access to go ahead and watch this course, now go ahead and use the link I put in the description of this particular video. And I'll also go ahead right now to put a step-by-step video right now that will show you the exact step you can use to sign up on Skillshare and not spend any money today to go ahead and start watching this course. I hope you find value in this video. Now, if you do, the value I provided in that video is 1,000 more than anything you might have probably learned on YouTube today. So ensure you do not miss this opportunity, and see you guys on the inside. Now, here is how you can be able to get a 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. The first thing you need to do is to go to the video description of this particular video, and you will see this link that says click here to get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now go ahead and click on that link. And once you click on that link right now, it's actually going to bring you over to this particular page where you will see Martin EO is giving you 30 days free. Now you're going to see get 1 free month of Skillshare. Now right here, if you do not click on that particular link, now what you're going to be seeing right here is get 7 free days of Skillshare. But this is actually not what you want. You want to get the 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now once you have clicked on that link right now, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and click on continue with Google or continue with your email. But I'm going to be clicking on continue with Google. Now once you click on continue with Google, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and select the Google account you want to use to sign up on the Skillshare platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And right here, as you can see, thank you for signing up. And they are going to go ahead now and redirect you on where you need to go ahead and activate your 1 month free trial. And right here on this page, you will see start your 31 day free trials, no commitment, and cancel anytime. So Skillshare will require you to go ahead and select a payment method for you to be able to activate your account, okay? But you don't need to worry about the charges at all, because Skillshare will not charge you until your 1 month free trial or 31 days free trial have expired. And also they will even send you a 7 days reminder before your trial ends, so that you can decide to cancel if you want to cancel your account, okay? And when it comes to selecting your payment method, you can go ahead and select PayPal, or you can go ahead and add your card number right now. So you can use any of your local bank card right now, add it right here to activate your account. But if any of your local bank card is not working, now you need to get a virtual USD card. Now the platform that I advise you to get a card that will work for you is this particular platform right here known as GetPay. On this particular platform, you can be able to get USD virtual card you can use to sign up on Skillshare. Okay, so I already have a virtual card right here created on GetPay. It's very easy to create. I will put the link to create this particular account and this card down in the video description of this particular video. So right now, all I have to do right now is to go ahead and copy these card details that I have right here and add it right here on this particular Skillshare platform. Now the next thing you need to do is just to scroll down right here. You will see where they say, how did you first hear about us? Now go ahead right now and select this YouTube influencer. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on this start your 31-day free trial. It will successfully sign you up on Skillshare. So right here it says what brings you to Skillshare. So you can go ahead and click on I want to learn a professional skill or build my business. Click on next. Right here, what are your most interested learning pathway? Just go ahead and select things you are interested in, and once you're done selecting all these things, go ahead and click on I am done right now. So it will go ahead and personalize your own page. So once you have landed right here, you have been able to successfully get the 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. So you can now go ahead right now and search for any classes that you want to watch or the courses that I recommended for you guys right here in this particular video, and you can be able to gain access to that particular course free of charge. And remember that you have 31 days to watch any courses that you want to watch right here on the Skillshare platform without paying any money at all.